Master Async and Await and Dependency Injection in SwiftUI with the builder pattern for cleaner, more efficient iOS apps. As you can see on the screen, we are able to fetch different types of payloads such as users, products, and orders. Using the builder pattern will simplify the API requests by breaking setup into smaller and reusable functions. This is the application that we will be creating in this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials. In this tutorial, we will create our generic reusable data list view that can be used to display any of our JSON payloads within a list. So the first thing we need to do is to create a new Swift file. Name the file data list view. Import SwiftUI. And type the following: struct data list view T. Since it's a generic, identifiable content view which is view data type, and this view will return a view which is a generic view. The next thing we need to do is to create our generic data array that will hold our list. The next thing we need to do is to declare a variable which is a content type, and this will be used as a closure. Var content view T content view. So this closure will take an item from the data array and return a view to display it. And the benefit of this lets you customize how each item looks in the list. Var body sum view. List data item in. Content view. And then we pass the item to our content view, to our generic content view. In the next tutorial, we will start to implement our content view. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials.